All right, here we go.
Paddle when I say paddle, stop when I say stop. Don't give up.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys, we're up next. Let's do a paddle high five up top.
Woo!
All right, give me 3 forwards.
1,
2, 3. Awesome. We're in current. It's my show. Hang tight.
All righty.
This is whitewater, baby. Anything can happen. I'm going to try to talk the whole time. Some things are going to come out of my mouth, all right? Whitewater changes a man. Hope I don't offend anybody. I'm going to yell for you, not at you, all right? So we can all go home today. A little bit of wind there. We're okay. We're okay. I'll let them get a little bit farther ahead of me here. Mess up this photo op. All right, we ready?
Ready.
3 forwards.
1. Woo!
2, 3. Hold tight.
Here we go.
Tight. All right, let's do it. Give me 3 forwards.
Woo!
All right, hold. Give me 2 forwards. 1, 2. Give me 2 more.
Woo!
2.
Go, paddle. Paddle, Dad, paddle.
Keep paddling.
Paddle.
Here comes the asshole, baby.
Oh my god.
Paddle. Woo!
And stop.
Wow.
Good job, folks. All right, give me 2 forwards.
Forward.
1, 2. We're just hanging on the safety edge and making sure we're okay. Up next is the 3 Stooges. Let's go all forward. Go.
What?
Go.
Woo! Woo! Paddle.
Stop.
Woo! Oh my God!
Yeah, baby. Give me 3 forwards. 1.
Why are you going?
Forward.
All right, give me 3 more. 1,
1.
2, and 3. Take 3.
Woo!
All right, we're not done yet. There's still one more.
One more.
His name's the Old Stogie.
Yum.
Okay.
You okay?
Patience over power. Hold tight.
Hold tight.
Okay, great.
You guys are doing great.
Hold on to the paddle, Iba.
Holding onto the cat.
Beautiful. Just go with the river.
Give me 2 forward.
2 forward.
2. 3 forward.
Woo! Ah! Hold tight. Woo!
Alright, give me 2 forward. 1, 2. Hot dog. High five.
High five. Woo! Beaver slap, Eva. One more time.
That was picture perfect, guys. That was fantastic.
Woo!
Did I get everybody wet?
Yes.
A little bit.
A little bit. Come on, Len. Good stuff.
Good stuff.